Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into a common issue that many drivers face, car power loss. We'll explore the possible causes behind this problem and provide you with some effective remedies to get your car back on track. So, let's rev up our engines and get started. A car losing power can be a frustrating experience for any driver. It can happen at any time, and the reasons for it can vary from simple to complex. In this video, we will discuss the common causes of a car losing power and the remedies that can be applied to fix the problem. Causes of car losing power. 1. Fuel system issues. The fuel system is responsible for delivering fuel to the engine, and any issues with it can cause a car to lose power. Some of the common fuel system issues that can cause a car to lose power include: A. Clogged fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter can restrict the flow of fuel to the engine, causing it to lose power. This problem is more common in older cars and can be fixed by replacing the fuel filter. Remember to consult your car's manual for the specific location and replacement procedure. B. Bad fuel pump. The fuel pump is responsible for pumping fuel from the tank to the engine. If it is faulty, it can cause a car to lose power. Signs of a failing fuel pump include engine sputtering, difficulty starting, or sudden stalling. If you suspect a faulty fuel pump, it's best to have it inspected and replaced by a qualified mechanic. C. Dirty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are responsible for spraying fuel into the engine. If they are dirty or clogged, they can cause a car to lose power. This problem can be fixed by cleaning or replacing the fuel injectors. 2. Electrical issues. The electrical system in a car is responsible for powering various components, including the ignition system, fuel system, and other accessories. Any issues with the electrical system can cause a car to lose power. Some of the common electrical issues that can cause a car to lose power include: A. Bad battery. The battery is responsible for providing power to the electrical system. If it is weak or dead, it can cause a car to lose power. This problem can be fixed by replacing the battery. B. Bad alternator. The alternator is responsible for charging the battery and powering the electrical system when the engine is running. If it is faulty, it can cause a car to lose power. A bad alternator can be fixed by replacing it. D. Spark plug issues. Worn out or fouled spark plugs can result in misfires and reduced engine power. Consider inspecting and replacing your spark plugs regularly as part of your car's maintenance routine. E. Ignition coil problems. A malfunctioning ignition coil can cause weak or inconsistent sparks, leading to power loss. If you notice symptoms like rough idling or difficulty starting, it's advisable to have your ignition coil checked and replaced if necessary. 3. Engine issues. The engine is the heart of a car, and any issues with it can cause a car to lose power. Some of the common engine issues that can cause a car to lose power include: A. Low compression. Low compression in one or more cylinders can result in decreased power output. This problem is more common in older cars and can be fixed by rebuilding or replacing the engine. It could be caused by worn piston rings, damaged valves, or a blown head gasket. It's crucial to have a qualified mechanic perform a compression test to diagnose and address the issue. B. Overheating. Overheating can cause a car to lose power. This problem can be caused by a faulty thermostat, radiator, or water pump. It can be fixed by replacing the faulty components. C. Timing belt or chain issues. The timing belt or chain is responsible for synchronizing the movement of the engine's valves and pistons. If it is worn or broken, it can cause a car to lose power. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the timing belt or chain are essential to prevent such issues. But if it happens, this problem can be fixed by replacing the timing belt. 4. Air intake and exhaust system. The air intake and exhaust system play a crucial role in your car's performance. Let's explore a couple of potential issues. A. Clogged air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, resulting in reduced power. Regularly inspect and clean or replace your air filter to ensure optimal performance. B. Exhaust system blockage. A blocked or damaged exhaust system can lead to power loss and even engine damage. If you notice a decrease in power accompanied by unusual noises or a strong smell of burning, it's essential to have your exhaust system inspected by a professional mechanic. Remedies for car losing power. 1. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is the best way to prevent a car from losing power. It involves performing routine checks and replacing worn or faulty components before they cause problems. Some of the maintenance tasks that can help prevent a car from losing power include: A. Changing the oil and oil filter regularly. B. Replacing the air filter regularly. C. Checking and maintaining proper tire pressure. D. Checking and maintaining proper fluid levels. E. Performing regular tune-ups, including replacing spark plugs, ignition coil, and other ignition system components. 2. Fuel system maintenance. Maintaining the fuel system is crucial for preventing a car from losing power. Some of the fuel system maintenance tasks that can help prevent a car from losing power include: A. Using high-quality fuel. B. Replacing the fuel filter regularly. C. Cleaning or replacing the fuel injectors when necessary. D. Checking and maintaining proper fuel pressure. 3. Electrical system maintenance. Maintaining the electrical system is crucial for preventing a car from losing power. Some of the electrical system maintenance tasks that can help prevent a car from losing power include: A. Checking and maintaining proper battery voltage. B. Replacing the battery when necessary. C. Checking and maintaining proper alternator output. D. Replacing the alternator when necessary. 4. Engine maintenance. Maintaining the engine is crucial for preventing a car from losing power. Some of the engine maintenance tasks that can help prevent a car from losing power include: A. Checking and maintaining proper engine compression. B. Checking and maintaining proper engine cooling. C. Replacing the timing belt when necessary. Losing power can be a frustrating experience, but by recognizing the common causes and exploring the possible remedies, you can tackle the problem head-on. Remember, preventive maintenance and prompt attention to any issues are key to a smooth and powerful driving experience. And there you have it, folks. We've explored some common causes of car power loss and provided you with potential remedies. Remember, diagnosing and fixing these issues may require the expertise of a professional mechanic, especially for complex engine problems. Regular maintenance and addressing any problems promptly will help keep your car running smoothly and maintain its power. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Drive safe and stay tuned for our next video.